Hello, good morning. A warm welcome to all my subscribers. Today, I was just thinking that it will be beneficial for the students as well as teachers to know and learn about Word document. So, let's get started. First, take a new document which is a blank page. Now, I have taken this blank page. So this will be file here, so I'm saving it. Save as. Then I would prefer to save it on desktop for the further use. Otherwise you can create a folder and put the document into it. So here, while saving, we have to ensure that we are saving in the desktop by clicking it here, desktop, and then I'm saving it by a name called just demo. I'm saving demo. Finished. So I'm just clicking on the save button so that whatever the work we do, it will be saved here. Here the file name is changed to demo docs. Okay, you can type it anything. For example, if you want to create a resume, you can type everything here and just make changes however you need it. So as I'm doing this video with one hand, only one hand is available, so I'm just copying it. Have previously opened a web page called India, and I'm just scrolling. I'll just take it some information about India from the Google. Incredible India. Wow, tasty biryani, I think. Okay, see, I'm just copying it. Up to the extent what you want, you can copy. All know to copy. Okay, just now what I'm doing, I'm clicking it right button, then paste. You can see here. Okay, I'm pasting it. Now see, the pasted script is so small, it's not visible. So in order to change its font, I'm selecting the script and then I'm increasing the font here, 18. Yeah, okay. And if you want the font style to be changed, now it's Calibri, I'm changing it to Algerian means completely it will be turning into capital letters. If we use Times New Roman, it would be better. So now I have selected the text and changed the font style. Now I want everything to become a bold, means once again select this complete text and then I'm clicking here bold. You can see the option here, bold, B. And next, if I want to turn the same thing into italics, I, italics. So the writing style is quite different now. It's good. So if I want the same text to be underlined, or if I want something amazing things to be known by the reader, then I would just select the Himalayan Heights and I'm underlining it by selecting U underline. You can see it got a line bit below it. Now for this same text, now oldest civilization in the world, India is considered as an oldest civilization in the world. I want this text to be highlighted, So I'm going here near this AB highlighting text, you can see here. So I'm selecting, so which color you want you can select. I prefer with green. So oldest civilization got highlighted with the script, sorry, with the green color. Now with a rich heritage, now this thing I want that text to be turned into one more my favorite color, blue. See, now you can see only the text has been changed into blue. Here the thing is highlighted but the color of the text is black only. You can as well, you can highlight it. See, the text is dark blue. Now it's clear, the text is dark blue and it got highlighted with the blue, light blue, aqua blue or something. So if you want to highlight any point, you can prefer whatever is necessary. Now for the same points, if you want those points to be in a point wise manner, then you can just near the full stop, if you press enter, that point will be coming down. So here this, and I'm selecting here bullets like this. So whatever you like you can select from among these lists. Okay, then you can give numbers as well, ABC, whatever you want here you can select. Now the text whatever is there here, that is from left to right, you can see here from left to right. But if I want the text to be from left to, sorry, right to left, then what I'm doing, selecting the complete text, and here I'm going and here I'm putting it this. So the text has changed from right to, so it's like this. So if you want everything to be as it was before, just press Ctrl Z. So the changes will, whatever changes you have done, that will be done, undo. Okay, and we can save it. Now here one more option is there, fill color. Here you can see fill color. Now if you want to insert something, like see here, insert, and then what I'm doing, inserting some shapes. Insert press చేసిన వెంటనే ఇవి వస్తాయి. So here whatever you want you can take. Now for example I'm taking this box. So here what I'm doing, here you can see. Now again I'm going back to home button. See, okay, here you can select. So I'm selecting the blank text here, then shape fill. With this I want to fill it with green, yellow, pink, whatever you like. Okay, if you want to fill it, you can fill by clicking on the shape fill. And if you want to write something in this text, then here what you have to do, just right click and add text. So here I'm clicking right click and taking add text. Then I'm writing my name, Mary, Mary. See, like that. So whatever you do, everything will be there here only. Initially we will be worried, ఎక్కడ ఏది చేస్తే ఏదైనా ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందో ఏమో అని. బట్ నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. జస్ట్ యూ కెన్ ప్రెస్ Ctrl Z whenever you commit a mistake. And here you can see here normal, no spacing, heading 2, title, subtitle, everything. So if you want to do, just click it and just check what's happening. Normal, so you can see the changes. Then again select it, no spacing, it is becoming like this. Space is being removed. See, ABC heading, it's changing like this. Whatever you prefer now, just go ahead with it. I know it will be not very easy, but no problem, just try and try and try. Okay, then suppose if we want to insert some images, so let us go to our site India once again, and I will just try to insert an image. See, images, Google. I just went to Google and then images. Now I am taking India map and I am copying the image. Copy image. Then here we are getting back to our text, and here you can see so image is not being copied, so paste special, then I'm changing it to bitmap, and then here okay. So India map has been inserted here. You can just click it and you can, let us get this Mary box down, and you can just decrease its size or increase its size like you want. Once again I'm showing you all. Here for pasting, what did I do? Just copy, click it and copy image, and then paste here, paste special. Sometimes it will be getting pasted, sometimes you have to select the format for it. Paste special, here this one, device independent bitmap, and then OK. So it will be getting pasted. One more time it got pasted, and same thing, you can just decrease the font of it by selecting here this one, and here, yeah, now it's fine. So in the insert we have many options here. We have tables also. If you want to write anything through table, insert table, we have to click and then we have to select whatever we need. And there are many pictures like that, shapes, everything is there here. And we will be learning about Microsoft PPT in our next class. So bye bye, take care, be safe at home, bye, thank you so much.